Hello everyone, I have this Super Nintendo controller and the start button is not working. I can enter the game by using A button and everything else is working just fine, but the start button is not. I'm gonna disassemble the controller and hopefully I can make it working. There are 5 Phillips screws. Here they are. Here seems to be the problem, so I'm gonna clean it. Using some rubbing alcohol, I'm cleaning the contact. And using a white paper, I'm cleaning the rubber membrane. This should be more than enough, so now I can assemble the controller. I'm putting back all 5 Phillips screws. Everything seems to be fine, so it's time to test it. Now let's see if the start button is working. Yeah, seems to be working just fine. Once I press the start button, the game is on pause. All other buttons are working. Once more, the start button. Yeah, basically the controller is now perfectly working. Problem solved. Wish you a great day.